Every experience of life is a big lesson and learning, and it only makes you a better human being.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on screen, and I am in conversation with the Bigg Boss 18 runner-up Vivian Desena.
Yeah,
Hello, Vivian. How are you?
I'm doing very well, Nawaz.
Well, it is glad to have you back, and I want to begin asking you that there have been reports that Vivian had been rejecting the show for so many years.
Yeah.
So, what was the reason to choose Bigg Boss this year?
See, my wife said that you've been in your comfort zone for very long, and I think it's time to challenge yourself.
Okay.
So she's the one who pushed me to be a part of Bigg Boss, and I challenged myself, and here I am. God has been really kind, winning so many hearts. I've not lost anything.
Absolutely. And to be very honest, I wanted you to win the show. And that was also.
See, whatever happens for
Right.
the best. We don't get to know at that point of time, but in future we do.
But one of the reasons why I wanted to win you, I wanted you to win the show was for Nauranji and for Layan.
Yeah, of course.
But throughout the journey, there have been moments where constantly Vivian was told, "Oh, why are you being a
Naz,
gentleman?"
can you hold it for a second?
Yes.
I know that, she has worked very hard. I know that she's been a very big support in my
Yes.
entire journey. None other than
Right.
my wife, Noran. And can I tell you something?
Yes, please.
She's always been my backbone. It's just that you guys are
Amazing.
seeing her in the forefront now.
Right. And I love the way, you used to cheer for her in the house also. Like, there was a scene where you told Karanveer, "Mera tujhe pata nahi tu kisse panga le raha hai." So I totally love that. But what, bothered me to an extent was there were moments where, Vivian was constantly told that why are you being a gentleman in the house? Why aren't we seeing that aggressive Vivian? But can a person not change then? What is your take on,
See,
this constant probing?
I think change is inevitable, and change is always the only thing which is constant in this universe
Right.
is change.
Absolutely.
So we grow up to somebody from somebody. So what we were 3 years back, we will be somebody else 3 years from now on.
Absolutely.
So a person goes through a journey. It is not a mandate that everybody should know or would possibly be aware of what a person has gone through. But yeah, if a person has become somebody, there has to be a reason.
Absolutely.
If you expect a person to be in a certain way, that means you don't want to see the real person. You want to see a character in the person.
Absolutely.
Because that is a character anticipation.
True.
And I am somebody who cannot sleep at night if I'm not feeling myself and talking my heart out. And that's how I've been. Like, you must have observed, like, I've always been, calling my friends home, making food for them.
Right.
I did nothing, separate or nothing which is opposite to what I did in the house.
Right.
So what I did in the house is nothing, opposite to my nature. There were times where, I did not like a few people at certain, instances. But that did not stop me from feeding them.
Totally.
That did not stop me from making food for everybody. There was a time when I lost it on a lot of people. So I did not say, okay, now I will not cook. Go figure out yourself. No. I did my best and I did
Right.
my bit and I wanted to do so. So I just did it with all my heart.
Amazing. What is next? Are we going to see Vivian Desena more now?
Nawaz, how many years you've known me?
I have known you
have
for
I-
a lot of years.
Have I ever planned anything in my career?
Absolutely not.
Have I ever announced unless I'm ready with it?
Totally.
So, future is in hands of God. I will just promise and make sure
Right.
my next one will be a better one than the previous
Absolutely.
one.
Totally.
And I've always stuck to that.
Right.
So what people saw in Pyar Ki, it was upgraded in
Yes.
Madhubala, then to Shakti, then to Sirftum. So like fiction
Totally.
characters I'm talking about.
Right.
I've always tried to do my better, my best. And in fact, a lot of people, when about Sirftum also at the point of time, they said, how will this guy look like a college guy? Rest is history. You've seen the show.
Totally. Also, lastly, Vivian, I want to know this. You know, on the show, there was one day you mentioned that, you know, the older Vivian was very different. There was a, you know, that was a phase where, you know, there was rage and there was aggression and all that. But what was that moment in life that changed you? I can, yes, I can get that feeling.
Leanne in my hands for the first time. You know,
Fatherhood changes a
yeah.
man.
I heard something in the background. I think that sound that came was, you are a responsible human being. We all, some point of time, some don't accept, some do accept. We have certain times, we know we have that ego.
Yes,
First thing, I drop my ego.
absolutely.
When you drop your ego, you are loved by people more. And somehow we all go through those kind of phases. And I think every experience of life is a big lesson and a learning, and it only makes you a better human being.
Totally.
And I never say, good or bad. No. I say good and tough. Tough makes you stronger and better.
Absolutely. And I can understand that girl dad emotion because my daughter is 5 years old.
Wow.
So, lots of love to Lion. Wish you
My
all the very
regards.
best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.